to the Wellington Metro Upgrade Project specific induction. This induction introduces you to all of the upgrade projects being undertaken in the Wellington Metro area, with the exception of the tunnel works. KiwiRail, the Greater Wellington Regional Council and train operator Transdev are working together to create a better rail network for Wellington commuters. The Wellington Metro Upgrade Project objective is to improve the rail network's reliability and resilience and provide an improved service to Wellington's rail commuter customers. It will also benefit businesses that freight goods by rail and reduce the number of heavy vehicles on the region's roads. This project builds on upgrade works completed 10 years ago as part of wider network improvements. The overall project objective is to renew and replace life-expired assets, as well as upgrade and enhance the existing network to provide for greater capacity, reliability and resilience. This means a better rail transport experience for Wellington's commuting public. Key project works undertaken in the Wellington Metro area include the replacement of all of the remaining wooden traction poles with new steel poles in Wellington electrified area, overhead catenary and contact wire renewals to replace life-expired equipment, slope stability works on various sections of the Wellington network across the Johnsonville, North Island Main Trunk and Wairarapa lines, track renewals through the Wellington Station, new turnouts and replacement of existing in the Wellington Station Junction area. The Porirua Area Capacity Enhancement, also known as PACE, provides for improved capacity and efficiency for train movements north between Porirua and Pokerua Bay on the NIMT. Included in the scope is a high-speed turnback for commuter trains and a new freight loop to allow commuter trains to pass freight services. Trentham to Upper Hutt, T2UH. The section of track between Trentham and Upper Hutt is currently single line and is a network constraint on the Wairarapa line. There is a project to double track this section of line to provide increased network capacity and resilience. Work on this project includes construction of a new formation and track beside the existing railway, station and platform upgrades, new grade separated pedestrian crossing, re-signalling of the section, and upgrades of existing level crossings. Wider Wairarapa works. Significant improvements to the railway formation and track between Upper Hutt and Masterton is required, including replacement of life-expired wooden bridges. Network signalling improvement works include part of Trentham to Upper Hutt is to expand bi-directional signalling between Taita and Upper Hutt. Replacement of the old electromechanical A-box signal interlocking with a computer-based interlocking. Woburn re-signalling and modernisation. Signalling associated with Porirua area capacity enhancements, computer-based interlocking and associated asset replacement. Future automatic train protection systems installed with signalling upgrades. The upgrade work is expected to commence late in 2019 and will continue over the next few years. The Metro Rail network is a challenging section to work on, with frequent passenger train services running through the work sites. The area also has significant signalling infrastructures which can be easily damaged and is electrified with 1500 volt DC overhead traction lines. Work needs to be carefully planned into the maintenance windows provided and completed on time without creating delays to trains. To achieve this project, there will be night works and work during block of lines where the railway is closed to commuter trains. Successful delivery of this project means there are no safety or environmental incidents or injuries to personnel throughout the work. Please pay attention to this induction. There will be a short test at the end of each section that you need to complete. Zero harm. KiwiRail is committed to zero harm to staff, contractors and the environment. It's an expectation that everyone working on this project shares this commitment. Success means that everyone returns home uninjured after every shift. Everyone needs to work together, communicate effectively and know their responsibilities. A safe environment means that the workplace is tidy and there are facilities to ensure the safety of all people on site. Report all incidents and any concerns, unsafe acts or hazards to your supervisor immediately. Comply with all rules and procedures as they are there to keep you safe. Fit for work means you are free from the effects of drugs and alcohol, and you are not tired or fatigued that could cause you to lose concentration and have an incident. Star. Sometimes things change during a shift. It could be a change in the job you are doing or starting a new task. When this happens, KiwiRail has a simple process to help you review your safety. The process is called STAR. The STAR process gets you to stop, think, act, and review before undertaking a task. The STAR process works like this. Stop before starting a task to consider the risks. Think about what can go wrong. How can I make this task safer? Is there a safer means of doing the work using alternative methods? For example, can I use a digger to lift a heavy bundle of material rather than lifting it by manual handling? Once you are sure the task can be done safely, proceed. Do not proceed if you feel it's unsafe and discuss it with your supervisor.